My son was 8 months old when I returned to work back in February of this year. So how do I manage my workflow with lactation breaks? So as I wanted to continue breastfeeding for as long as I could, this is something that was really important to me, to be able to continue to pump at work so that I could feed my baby. I work in a very busy clinical area, and so this is something that I struggled with to begin at the start when I returned to work, knowing that I really wanted to pump, but also managing seeing patients and the work. However, I reminded myself that breastfeeding is really important and that I needed to take those breaks so that I could pump to feed my baby, because if I didn't, then there was quite a high chance that I would develop mastitis, and that is something that I really wanted to avoid. So with the help of knowing that I am entitled to take lactation breaks as per the agreement, as well as the support of my supervisors and colleagues around me, I was able to successfully take those breaks. I plan to pump once a day, and I can say that I'm really grateful that I've been able to do that. So another bit of advice that I have is mainly in terms of practicalities. So I would recommend that you do purchase a electric pump, and in particular a hands-free pump, because this makes life a lot easier when you're trying to pump at work. It does enable you to be able to do little things whilst you are still pumping, if that's something that you need to do. I would also recommend that you purchase a storage bag so that you can have your pump, bags, as well as snacks, as we know that breastfeeding mums become very hungry and can easily become dehydrated. So these are really important things that I would encourage you to have in your storage bag. So a little snack, a small bottle of water so that you can hydrate and have something to eat whilst you're breastfeeding. I recommend that you have a good number of storage bags in case you run out and forget to replace it in your storage bag, as well as a small ice block, so that once you have pumped and put your milk in the fridge, at the end of the day when it's time to go home, you can just grab your bag as well as your ice block from the freezer, pop it in so that you can transport your breast milk back home safely.